Hey guys, welcome to example 6 of 9.3. We're going to define geometric sequences. So geometric has to do with multiplication. And this time, the pattern for the first one is 3, 6, 12, 48, right over here. And that's easy. So for part A here, they want to find the common ratio, right? So because everything keeps doubling, we know that the common ratio, we're going to say R is equal to 2, right? It's going to multiply by 2 for every subsequent sequence term. For part B, they want the 10th term. So if I want the 10th term, a sub 10, I could simply say that, well, I know I start with 3. I'm going to keep multiplying by 2, but I'm not going to multiply by 2 just once. I'm going to multiply by 2 9 times because the first number is 3, but every number after you're multiplying by 2. So that'd be 2 to the n minus 1. Or actually, n minus 1 is, I'm already starting to write the definition. This would be 9, right? 2 to the 9th, because I would want to multiply by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 9 times. All right, let's go to C. The recursive definition should include the base case initial number of a sub 1 is 3. And how do we define the recursive rule? It would be a sub n equals the previous number times 2, right? It's always double the previous number. If I want to write the explicit, then it would just be a sub n, and we know the starting number is 3, and I'm going to keep multiplying by 2 n minus 1 times. So it's 2 to the n minus 1. If I look at A for part 2, notice it's the exponent's jumping by 2, right? -3, -1, 1, 3, 5. But we understand that that's a multiplication of 10 squared. So my common ratio is 10 squared. For B, let's see, we want the 10th term. So if I keep adding by 2s, then I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to add another 5 2s, right? So that would get me to a sub 10 would be 10 to the 15th, right? And then C, recursive, include the base case. The initial value is 10 to the -3. Make that look a little nicer. And again, recursively, a sub n, the current number is equal to the previous number times 10 squared. And then the explicit would just be a sub n. Let's start with the first number and multiply it by your common ratio, which is 10 squared, but I'm going to do it n minus 1 times. So 10 squared to the n minus 1. You can simplify some of these answers if you'd like, but these expressions are the equivalent to the final answer. All right, I'll see you guys in example 7.